What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alright, we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's hip-hop dance and it's very nice music. So the title of the song, it's called Marmalade by, sorry I don't know how to pronounce the name of the singer, Macklemore, Macklemore, whatever. That one I will put the name in the description, okay? So let's start. Alright guys, let's start. So, first, look at, face to your left side. So you gotta go 2 counts. Goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like whip. 5. Close on 6, 7. Jump. 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Next. From here, go 1, 2, shake. 4, side, 5, just knock on 6, 7, down, boom. So this is 7, 8, 1, 2. That's 2 count. Let's try one more time. So let's start from the beginning. 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5, snap on 6, 7, 8, boom. This is 1, 2. 1, 2. Next, up, kick 3 and 4. Lift on 5, chest 6, move away on 7, simple 8. That's our third count. So from here, 7 and 8, kick 1 and 2, 3, 4. My count is wrong because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Slowly. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, away, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, kick, 4, lift, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Next, 7, 8. So your hand on your hips, like yes. 7, 8, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, down, 1, 2, lean back, 4. So 3, 4. Don't remove your hand. 3, 4 from here. 5, 6, double. 7, close on 8. One more time. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Can we go on? All right, next. 1, 2, this is fast. 3 and 4. Punch. 5 and 6. Chest. 7, 8. 1, 2. Good job. Let's try one more time. So 7 and 8. Side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. Chest. 8. 1, 2. Let's do it from the beginning. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snap, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always forget that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. All right, from here, next. 7, 8, 1, 2. Here, 3 and 4. So when you step, it looks like this. 3. It's like you're holding a Dragon Ball's Zoom. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll change. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's finish this one. You're gonna go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your weight is like this. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So isolation chest. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Side. 5, 6. Similar to the one. 5, 6. Cross. 7. Lift on 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy? And for the last 8. 7, 8. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross. 5. Lift on 6. Kick. 7, 8. And finish. Alright? Good job. Let's try one more time from lift. So 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finish. Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning, okay? If you have having hard time getting the choreography, you can pause and rewind in YouTube, okay? Here in YouTube. Okay, let's start. 5, 6, 7, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Snap. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close. 8. Finally. 3, 4, 5, 7. Slide. Slowly. 2, 3, and 4. Kick. A punch. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo-yo. 6. Slide. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kick. And boom. Clap. Yeah! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.